Now, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan has been sent to 2 days police custody in connection with an extortion case lodged last year. Balyan was arrested by the Delhi police on Saturday night after being detained for questioning earlier in the day. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party MLA has alleged that he has been framed. He in fact said that the audio clip is in the public domain for 17 months. Remember, this extortion case involves allegations that Balyan was in touch with a gangster, Kapil Sangwan, and was involved in extorting money from businessmen. An audio clip of a conversation between Balyan and Sangwan was released by the BJP, which has alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party MLA was involved in extortion activities. Now, the Rouse Avenue Court has ordered 2 days of police custody for Naresh Balyan.
So what is your response?
सब चुनाव का मामला है, और इसलिए चुनाव के अलावा कुछ नहीं है। चुनाव के अलावा
We have challenged the ground of arrest. The police has failed to give even a single ground for arrest. And despite asking by the court also, they failed to produce any ground, or even they have not pleaded in the application, except that he has not cooperated in the investigation. This is a general and vague ground. And even the court, Honorable Apex Court as well as Honorable High Court, has, in various cases, has stated this is not a ground for the arrest of an accused if they are saying that he is not cooperating with the investigation. Because this is a very vague ground that is not cooperating and is keeping mum. Because it is a right of an accused to be silent.
आज दिल्ली के एक कोर्ट में जब नरेश बालियान, जो आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक हैं, उनको पेश किया गया, तो पूरी की पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी ने बड़े बड़े वकील उनके समर्थन में उतारे, मगर उन वकीलों की पूरी दाव पेचों के बाद भी माननीय न्यायालय ने नरेश बालियान को पुलिस कस्टडी में भेज दिया है। अब ये स्थापित है कि नरेश बालियान के खिलाफ जो गैंगस्टर एक्ट का केस है वो बेहद मजबूत है और दिल्ली पुलिस उन्हें आज नहीं तो कल सलाखों के पीछे पहुंचाएगी।
Rouse Avenue Court sends Aam Aadmi Party MLA Naresh Balyan to 2 days of police custody. This is after Delhi police in court had, applied for seeking 5 days of police custody for Naresh Balyan in this extortion case in which he was arrested yesterday. What the Delhi police and the public prosecutor, argued in the court today was that these audio clippings that have come about need to be investigated into. The voice identification needs to be made with Naresh Balyan, and for the same they need to keep Balyan in custody so as to collect his voice sample and to confirm about the audio clippings as well. And what the Delhi police also mentioned in court is that this is also because which they need this custody to further investigate into the connections of Balyan with this gangster who is allegedly involved in extortion cases, Kapil Sangwan, and the relation between the both of them. Arguing this, the counsel for Naresh Balyan said in court that the grounds for arrest are not legible, they are not substantive. The grounds for arrest were orally communicated, and Balyan was just arrested on a whim. This is a political arrest is what the counsel for Balyan argued in court today. And what the counsel also mentioned is that how can Delhi police be this sure that the audio clip is not doctored? They carried out an investigation within themselves without giving out the audio clip to the FSL team. So the audio clip has not yet gone through the FSL check, and which is why the counsel for Balyan raised the concerns that how can they be so sure that the voices are that of Kapil Sangwan and Naresh Balyan in the audio clip. As of now, what we are understanding is that day after tomorrow, the court will resume hearing of this case, and the case has also been transferred to the MP MLA court, which is pertaining to cases of this nature. With camera person Ashok Mahale, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.